Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your contracts with DocuSign easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the DocuSign website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the New button. Select Send an envelope from the drop-down menu. Now, upload the document you want to protect. Click on Upload and choose the file from your device. After your document is uploaded, click Next to proceed. On the next screen, you'll see various recipient options. Enter the email addresses of the people who need to sign the contract. Assign roles for each recipient, such as signer or reviewer. Next, drag and drop the necessary fields onto the document. Add signature fields, date fields, and any other required information. Once all fields are placed, click Finish to continue. Review the settings in the next window. Before sending, adjust the security settings if necessary. You can set authentication options for added protection. Once you're satisfied, click Send to dispatch the document. Your recipients will receive an email with a link to the document. They can securely sign the contract using DocuSign. After all parties have signed, you will receive a notification. Finally, download the completed document for your records. Congratulations, you have successfully protected your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.